our expert tips and be inspired by our stylish finds. What to consider when choosing a new garden gate? It's not just about the garden gate's material durability and its initial looks. There are lots of things to think about to create the curb appeal you're after. Your gate could have a useful security wall. Can you fit a padlock or keypad entry system? If so, consider how posts will be delivered and how you will be able to identify and admit visitors from inside the house. Adding lighting around a locked gate will help you with identifying visitors and providing accessibility. As well as keeping intruders out, consider whether your gate needs to keep pets and children safe, which might mean that you simply position any latch too high for little ones to reach. Go for a garden gate that complements your fencing. If you're replacing garden fencing as well as the garden gate, why not create a boundary that's visually continuous? It will give your garden a smart appeal. If matching materials don't work, consider whether what you choose to have your gate made from can still complement your boundaries interior. Cast iron gates look fabulous matched with period style brick walls, for example, and wooden gates work well with wicker fencing panels. Remember, your garden gate may require planning permission. Particularly if you live in a conservation area, it's always worth checking first that the gate you're planning to buy will be accepted by your local planning authority. Don't forget the posts for your garden gate. Ensure that the gate posts or structure that will support the gate is strong enough for the purpose and are not upgraded. Use quality fixtures and fittings designed for the purpose. Lastly, your gate will need maintenance.